Assalamu alaikum, fifth semester. Our subject is adolescent development, and we discussed about the characteristics of development. In today's lecture, we will discuss about the fourth characteristic, that is adolescence is a problem age. So, why it is called a problem age? Actually, during this phase of development, adolescents begin to transit from childhood to adulthood, as we already discussed about it. So, issues of independence, identity, sexuality, and relationship define this developmental stage. Many health problems, such as mood disorder, you can say anxiety, and thought disorders, some psychological disorder may develop or become apparent during adolescence. And suicide is a major cause of death for this age group, and this is very depressing. So, other causes of death include accident, unintentional injuries, also included. Accidents are also because the adolescents uh, have no fear regarding, you can say, death, or they treat the life as, you can say, uh, fantasy, and fantasize the things also. Eating disorders such as anorexia nervosa and bulimia nervosa most commonly developed during adolescence and are more common among girls because of their, you can say, they are conscious about their body look, and many unhealthy behavior that start during adolescence also create poor diet habits and obesity, smoking, substance abuse, and violence. So that's why adolescence is called a problem age. Next characteristic is adolescence is a time of search for identity. As we already discussed in the class about the Erikson theory, and there is a stage, fifth stage, which is related to adolescence identity, uh, in which we discuss about the causes, and you can say reasons for which adolescents want to define themselves, and it is the time for the search of identity and roles and responsibility. If they cannot succeed in this process, they may confused about their roles and responsibility, and they cannot conform to the group there, which are standard for their, you can say, social and moral roles. So as adolescence have its own, you can say, negative phase, or you can say characteristics, as one of them is peer pressure. So it is very important for the parents to um, supervise their adolescent for the conformity of the norms and moral values, and also for their identity, um, role. That is very important, so they can know who they are, what is their role, what are the responsibilities which they have to be shared. And if they want to gain independence, so they are also responsible for their actions as well, so they can be responsible adult. Their personalities are well groomed, and they uh, become a uh, confident individual before entering into adult stage. So it is a time of search for identity as well. Thank you, students. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will discuss about unrealism characteristics of the adolescent. Thank you, students. Allah Hafiz.